Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix gamble with your friend's game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, fat error, or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that you simply need to click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check your graphics card. So you should make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once your graphics drivers are up to date, now launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and launch the game and check if you can play it. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. Now if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So you must wait for some time. After the game files are verified, now launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So you must check if there is any update available for your Windows. For that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the Visual C++ files is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, and after that wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, now close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam user, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and here in the above section you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now try to launch the game and check. But if you still face the same issue continuously after following the methods, then it's time to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. Now after that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Gamble with your friends game once again, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working now. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix Gamble with your friends game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen, fat error, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.